Welcome to today's episode of Redneck Stuff. On the first episode,
Megaphone.
you know where this is going by the title, so yeah. You ready?
Makes it quieter. Fuck. Yes, carbon monoxide poisoning.
That didn't do anything. Alright, turn it off. Where's our sponge? What the? Take two. We already tried a condom, by the way, and that didn't go well.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Alright, take two. We're putting the megaphone over it.
This shit's about to get hot.
Yep. Also, it didn't make it any louder. Take three, the shower. The garden. That.
Sail. For something like this to come through your mind.
Alright. Don't know, but we're about to find out. My key got stuck. Not any louder either. This is not going well. Okay, so now we're trying my funnel. Alright.
Shit stays. Logan, it's insulating the sound as well.
Alright, then we will try this.
That's an interesting sound. Give it a bit of gas and see what happens. What the fuck was that? Jesus Christ! Holy shit! Bro, shit was scary. I don't know, bro.
So now we're doing it with his truck, because his is way louder than mine. So, yeah. But we gotta figure out.
Start off small with the megaphone.
Yeah, but you have two. You have two pipes.
I know, and they're large. They're large at the end. Which one do you think?
First one. Don't rev it up. Let's just see how long.
Right. Mosquito!
That did like nothing.
So which one is it? I need you to feel the rumble. Is it one or is it both?
It's both.
It is.
Yeah, no. Wait, let me put it to the other one.
You son of a bitch! Get it away! Get it away from my truck, man!
Bro, this thing is shaking so violently. It blew it off the other side. Yo, you got a snorkel, dog.
Snorkel, bro. He fucking gone. Oh my god. Ow. Making me do some dangerous shit on me.
Ready?
Maybe. Bro, the fuck, it like stuttered.
It's like cooking the freaking. Oh, that's hot.
Alright, go. I just shot out.
Alright, this is our last attempt because we got nothing else after this. Can't open my door.
Your truck immediately. Beep. absolutely nothing.
Oh wait, idea.
The fuck, man? What the fuck are you doing? Hey, listen to that. Come here, record this. Fucking... Bro, it went limp. The fucking
That is
dumb.
funny.
Get the juice. Oh shit. Ow. Ow, fuck. Ow. Oh, man. Bro, what kind of shit is that? Right now it looked like it just facing straight. It got the headlights on the fucking fender. Improvision. Yes, sir. Goodness gracious. Oh my god.
There's so much smell.
Oh shit. Oh no. Where'd it go? Get out there on the floor. Oh no.